All right, welcome back. If you recall a while back, I bought a Matabo air nailer, brad nailer. I guess it's not an air nailer. Matabo 18 gauge brad nailer. Love it. Absolutely love the thing. Been using the hell out of it. It only came with one battery. I wanted a second battery. Batteries go for about 55 bucks. So I kept my eye out, and this little gem here, it's the Matabo half-inch drill driver, DS18DDX is the model number. This was on sale from online. It's $149. In the big box store, it was $129. Then it was reduced to $90.24. I don't know where that number comes from, and I just got it on sale for 60 bucks, which includes two batteries, a charger, the drill, and the case. So let's open this thing up and see what we've got. I do not know why these things are on sale like this. I don't know if they're coming out with a new model or what in the hell is going on. But if they want to discount the price, we got a nice hard shell case here. Looks like we've got a zip tie in the way. Got some instructions. So we've got a Matabo drill. Nice, small, compact, brushless. Got one battery, two batteries. Got the charger. And of course, we have the ever popular freebie double-ended Phillips bit, which is, kind of pointless in my opinion, but whatever. Free bit's a free bit. Now, let's look at the battery. Battery that came with the nailer is BSL1830C, and the battery that came with the drill is BSL1815. They both show, okay, that's the difference. The battery that came with the air nailer is a 3 amp hour, and the battery that came with the drill is a 1.5 amp hour. But hell, I still got two of them, so I don't really see the problem. No, wait a minute. Let's use the battery from the nailer. Yep. It really doesn't care which battery you use. It's nice. It's compact. It's pretty light. It's a little nose heavy. Like the chuck weighs more than the whole motor, but high gear, low gear, standard cordless drill. I mean, now here's an interesting item. It has the spot for the belt loop, the clip, but there's no clip with it. So that's kind of interesting. I wonder if that's why they're getting rid of these, is because it's missing that. They didn't put them in at the factory or what they did. New toy, so we'll run it through its paces, see what we see, and report back. One thing about the charger, it does 14 4-volt through 18-volt batteries, but this charger is different than the charger that came with the nailer. Nope. Same charger as the nailer. Is it? I think it is. No, it is not the same charger. The charger for the nailer has the built-in cooling system. You can hear the fan running when it's sucking air in when it's going. This one does not have that feature. So the what I consider the better charger is, well, that's interesting. The charger with the cooling is UC18YFSL. The charger that came with the drill is UC18YKSL. So we'll see what's what, but we will get these batteries charged up, and we'll take it through its paces and see what we see as far as the drill goes, and I will report back to you how it's doing. All right, we'll see what kind of muscle this thing's got. I've got a speed bore 7/8 inch bit. We're gonna go into the end grain of this treated 2x4 and see what we get. Low gear. Well, it stops and tells you when it's under too much load, but it'll still do it. I mean, that drilled that. Let's get a measurement. We just put a 7/8 inch hole 5.5 inches into that board. Now it stopped twice and I had to back it out and clear the chips, but it went right back to it after I did that. So it did the work we asked it to do, but it even protects itself doing it. I gotta say, Matabo isn't screwing around. That's how you drill a hole, especially considering how small the damn thing is. Let's see what else we can come up with for it to do. Okay, what we're gonna try now is, I've got a lag bolt, measures 4¼ inches long or 4 inches of shank. I have got no pilot hole in the end, and we're just gonna see what this dude will do. Low gear, obviously. It just split the wood, no problem. So let's try this side. Oh yeah, that little dude's got the torque to drive it and split the board wide open to do it. It does not care. Nothing was stopping that screw. We've got to give it a long-term test with some daily use. But so far, the Matabo 18-volt brushless drill works like a champ. No arguments so far. I'll keep you posted.